Hi guys, welcome to another channel. What? Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube paid me in 2023. Okay, so I think it is a good start of 2024 to talk about how much money YouTube paid me for two YouTube channel. Okay, so I got this channel with 43,000 subscribers, and I got a Vietnamese channel with more than 40,000. It is 41,000 subscribers. And if you're curious about how much money YouTube paid me at revenue only, then this is the right video for you. Okay, and I have no idea why people can keep talking about how much YouTube paid them in a long video like 10-minute or 15-minute video, because I think it's just the number. So all they need to do is to show the number, then you can know how much money YouTube paid them. By the way, I will show you the number first, and after that maybe I will explain about that number, about the CPM, RPM, and about monetization policy, stuff like that. You want to hear about that. Okay, so I think this video is especially helpful for beginners who want to grow a YouTube channel and who want to make money here on YouTube. And we mentioned that we have many sources of income when it comes to making video for YouTube. You have ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and you have brand deal, and you have store and membership or stuff like that. So in this video, we focus only the ad revenue, which is the money that YouTube paid you as a content creator. So you make video publishing on YouTube, and when they run ads on your video, you get the money. Okay, so the share with 55% of the revenue they get from their customer. Okay, so first up, this is the first channel. This is my Vietnamese channel. You see, this is the $102 this month. It is 28 days, so I will change it to, and we have last year here, 2023 and 2024. Okay, so we can select 2023, and for this channel and total, so this is total estimated revenue around $2,000. Okay, so this is before tax. Then after that, I have to pay 7% of the revenue with my income tax in Vietnam. And also I have to pay about 30% of the revenue from the audience from US. So my total income or total money I got in my bank account would be less than $2,000. All right, so this is for the first channel. So let's say $2,000 for the first channel. And the second channel, so we switch to another one. So this is my main channel. Okay, and now it got 43,000 subscribers. And let's go to the analytic and see, this is the estimated revenue for this month. So it is very low. I have no idea why. Maybe because I have a break. I went to the hospital last month, and I didn't make so many video on my channel. See, the publish is very few here, so that's why the number of views reduced a lot. And it is last 28 days, so it is 350 US dollar, and let's change it to 2023. Okay, all right, so in 2023 I made 8,537 US dollar on this channel. So on that channel is 2,000, and this channel around 8,500. So maybe I have to pay some tax, stuff like that, so maybe around 8,000. So totally in 1 year, in 2023, I make about 10,000 ad revenue only for both Vietnamese channel and English channel. So that's all. Okay, so that is the number. By the way, if you want to be monetized here on YouTube, you have to be a partner of YouTube, meaning that you have to join YouTube partner program. That is the first requirement. And the requirement now is that you got 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. So that is the requirement for you to get revenue from ad. And there is a lower requirement, that is 500 subscriber and 3,000 watch hour, but that is just for the super thank and super sticker and also membership. So that I think that is not worth the money, because you will not get anything if you join the YouTube partner program at that milestone, 500 subscriber and 3,000 watch hour. But that is just a one condition, and the other condition that YouTube had to accept your content. So you have to produce the content that YouTube accept for their monetization program. You cannot re-upload other people content. You cannot make content about violence, about animals, about not animal, but you have to some kind of fighting animal or other content that is violent, okay, and also some other like gun and sexy things. So you have to pay attention to the community guidelines and the copyright regulation, okay, before trying to apply for a monetization program. By the way, I want to explain a little bit here, because we have the estimated revenue, and there's some other thing that you need to consider is CPM and RPM. So let me show you how CPM and RPM on this channel. Okay, so we want to go to the revenue tab here. See, this is the content performance. So you see each day I got maybe 20, $10, $30, and sometimes it is $13. So it's low. Okay, but down here we have something here, content performance in 2023. So first thing, we have the video, and it is the total amount of money I get for my video, and it got 2.3 million views. And it is the RPM. So RPM is very important. It is the amount of money you get for 1,000 views, and it is not the CPM. CPM is the amount of money YouTube get from their advertiser for 1,000 views. So when they get that money, they will allocate it to you, and also they will cut 45% of that money, so you don't get 100% of the CPM. And this is the RPM. So RPM is important. If your channel RPM is low, then you have to find maybe a topic that has higher RPM so that you can get more. Okay, so that is the first solution to increase the RPM. Other solution is to extend the duration of the video, because the longer the video, you have more ad on your video, so you can increase the RPM also. And the RPM depends on the audience also, where the audience from. Maybe from the UK, from US, the RPM is higher than from India and from Vietnam. Okay, so my channel RPM is 3.62 US dollar RPM for 1,000. So I earn $3.62 for 1,000 views, and that is for the video, and that is not for the short. And for the short, it is much lower. Okay, so this is for short. I earn 0.05 US dollar for 1,000 views, and my short get 468.5 thousand views, and totally it got 21 US dollar. Okay, and sometimes I go live stream, and I also get some money here. Live stream 3.6 US dollar, and the RPM for the live stream is much higher than the video and much higher than the short. So these are some information about the number you need to pay attention, especially the RPM, which is very important. And down here you have how you make money in 2023. So we have watch page, which means the ad revenue. So mostly my money come from the ad and from membership. If you have a membership, some people join your membership, and then you get money. By the way, I don't offer anything in my community, so there's just some member in my community. Hopefully next year I will be more active at my membership. Okay, and for supers and short feed here, supers I got 17.5 US dollar for supers. So some people think that my video is meaningful, helpful to them. They send super and they send thanks to me. If I go live stream more often, maybe I got more super and Okay, so that is for this channel, and my Vietnamese channel is the same. All the information here is the same. And you see here we have watch paid ads, short feed, membership, super, and we have another option here to earn money, which is the connected store. By the way, I have no idea why I didn't earn anything from my store. Maybe I didn't advertise enough, I didn't promote enough, and yeah, maybe that is the main reason, because I have some product here, a good design, but nobody buy it. Although the product impression is 1.1 million and the product clicks is more than 1000 click. Okay, so that is everything you want to know about how much money YouTube paid me in 2023. And I think is that enough information. No need to give you more information about this topic. If you want to find out more, they are on in your YouTube studio. Okay, and if you want to know any other information, just let me know. I will make a video about that for you. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you. Hope you learned something here. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new here, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.